Hello friends, how to solve this equation for x. So here we have 3 raised to the power x raised to the power 2 divided by 9 raised to the power x, which is equal to 81. So let's start. 3 raised to the power x here, and 9 can be written as 3 raised to the power 2 whole x, which is equal to 81 can be written as 3 raised to the power 4. So from here, as a raised to the power n into m, which is equal to a raised to the power n m. So we will apply here this rule. So it will become 3x square divided by 3. It will become 2x, which is equal to 3 raised to the power 4. From here, bases are same, so we will apply here a raised to the power n divided by a raised to the power m, which is equal to a raised to the power n minus m. So it can be written as 3 raised to the power x square minus 2x, which is equal to 3 raised to the power 4. So from here, bases are same, so we will compare its powers. So it will become x square minus 2x, which is equal to 4. So it can be written as x square minus 2x minus 4, which is equal to 0. Now it becomes a quadratic equation. So we will apply here quadratic formula. So from this equation we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, and c is equal to minus 4. Quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So x is equal to minus b is minus 2 plus minus square root of b square means minus 2 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is minus 4 divided by 2, a is 1. So from here x is equal to minus minus plus 2 plus minus square root of minus 2 square means 4 minus minus plus 4 times 16 divided by 2. So x will become 2 plus minus square root of 16 plus 4 is 20 divided by 2. X is equal to 2 plus minus, we can write 20 as 4 multiplied by 5 divided by 2. So x is equal to 2 plus minus 2 square into 5 divided by 2. Four means 2 square into 5. So from here x is equal to 2 plus minus 2 squares of square root means 2 into square root of 5 divided by 2. So x will be equal to 2. 2 will be common from both values. So it will become 1 plus minus square root of 5 divided by 2. 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. So the value of x is 1 plus minus square root of 5. Here we have two values of x. We can write it as x1 is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 and x2 is 1 minus square root of 5. Thank you friends.